Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie, and tonight I'm going to show you guys some scenarios for CVS. These deals are going to start on November the 11th and they're going to end on November 17th, and we have 4 really easy transactions. The first transaction that we are going to do is for the CoverGirl. Now, this week they have buy any 2 CoverGirls and get $5 back, but a better deal is going to start next week. If you buy $15 worth of CoverGirl products, then you will receive $8 in extra care bucks. Now, there are several different CoverGirl coupons that are available. There are $2 off of 1 eye products on coupons.com. There are $2 off of 1 face product, and there's also some coupons that came out of the 1021 Smart Source, and a lot of those are regional. So some of us, or some of you all, were lucky enough to get the $3 one off of any eye product. I only got the $2 off of 1 Lash Blast mascara, but I did order some of the $3 coupons, and I'm hoping that they'll be here next week, or hopefully tomorrow, which will be Saturday for me. That way that I can be prepared for the deals. But anyways, excuse my rambling. Let's get to it. You're going to buy 4 of these Easy Brow Fills in my store. They are $4.49 each. So I'm going to get 4 of those, and I'm going to use the $3 off of 15 CoverGirl, which I received in that printed for me out of the red box this week. It expires Sunday, so that's why I'm hoping that my coupons do decide to, ship Saturday, so that way that I can use those instead of the $2 ones. So you're gonna get 4 of those. It's gonna total up to $17.96. You use the $3 off of 15. Use 4 of the $3 off of 1 eye product CoverGirl coupons. Like I said, that was in the 1021 Smart Source. All the coupon total, for the 4 times 3 is gonna be $12 plus the $3 off the red box. You got $15 in coupons minus $17.96. It's gonna leave you $2.96 out of pocket, but you're gonna receive $8 back in extra care bucks, making this a really good deal, especially if you don't have any extra care bucks rolling. Even if you have some, you don't even have to use them for the first transaction. Now moving on to the second one, you're gonna buy 2 of the Gillette razors or the Venus razors. This week's special is going to be you buy 2 and then you get $8 back in extra care bucks. The cheapest ones in CVS are usually for the women's, the Venus, the light blue razors. It's $8.99. So you can buy 2 of those, or you can get 2 of the Gillette ones. They're $8.99, but it's normally like a black and green looking pack. So you can get 2 razors. If you didn't get the P&G this month, there are coupons on CVS's app. If you go to CVS.com and make your account, select those coupons. It's going to be $1 $2 off of 1 Gillette and $1 $2 off of 1 Venus. Or you can use the ones out of the P&G for this month. After you buy the 2 razors, you use the $3 off of 12 that comes out of the red box. Then you're going to use 2 of the $2 off of 1 coupons. You roll in the extra care bucks from the previous transaction, which is going to give you a total of $15 in coupons, making this $2.98 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $8 in extra care bucks, making this another really good deal. And if you notice up here, you've already hit beauty. So in addition to getting the $8 back, you're also going to get $3 back for hitting your beauty total, which is only $30. So this is really amazing. The next deal we're going to do, we're going to keep it in the makeup family. we're going to buy one Physicians Formula mascara priced at $9.99. Because if you spend $10, you're going to get 7 back. Then we're going to buy 2 Maybelline eyeshadow singles. They look like this. And in my store, they're $3.99 each. You're going to use the $4 off of 15 cosmetics coupon that comes out of the red box. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off of 1 Maybelline coupons. I can't remember which insert it came out of, but I'll insert it in the video. And then you're going to roll the $8 extra care bucks from transaction number 2. This is going to give you a total of $14 in coupons. And your total for all the makeup is $17.97, which is going to leave you a $3.97 out of pocket. But you're going to get $12 back in extra care bucks, which is, like I said, another really, really amazing deal. And the final transaction that we're going to do is going to be for the Scott's towels. They are spend $20 and get $5 back. And we're going to get 4 of these Scott's towels, the 6 rolls. They are $5.49 each. You buy 4 of those, your total should be $21.96. You're going to use the $4 off of 1 coupons. They are actually going to be in the 11/11 inserts, but like I said, everything is regional. You may not get those. Just in case you don't, you can go to scottsbrand.com, and as you can see, they have printable coupons. They are only 50 cents, but 50 cents is better than no cents. If not, you can go to coupons.com. They had printable Scott's coupons available this week. Not sure if they're still there, but you can definitely try. Either way, use 4 coupons. You're going to roll the $12 that you got from transaction number 3. You're going to use the 4 coupons. Your total in coupons is going to be $16. You subtract $16 from $21.96, making your total $5.96. But you're going to receive $5 back in extra care bucks, which makes these 96 cents a pack, or 24 cents, 96 cents out of pocket, or 24 cents a pack. So yeah, these are 4 easy transactions that can get you started for the week. The deals are pretty decent this week. Towards the holidays, you know, they just kind of get a little vague. But yeah, we're definitely going to take advantage of the paper towel deals. If you didn't check out my last video on Dollar General for $11.10, please do so. There's more cheap paper towels. And yeah, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you out, give it a huge thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.